Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I'm going to basically share about the life lesson which I've learned from various books and which can basically helpful for a learner who want to basically do something in his life, because on a consistent uh, and a daily basis, if you want to improve yourself, you just need to work every day. That is what most important, and for that you should need to have a solid why you are doing these things. So that is the most important. That is the most psychological advantage you have once you admit these questions, because that is how like major organizations have worked. Because if you find out like Apple and other companies such as Southwest and airlines, there are multiple organization where you see they are exist because they do have a some sort of why they are in this field, right? This is most important part. So that's why basically you should need to have a solid why you are basically stepping your foot in terms of like in a deep sort of river. So this is very important, and you should need to have that. Then after, you can basically focus on your goal, such as like how you need to basically do the things. Because nowadays a lot of people are focusing on how we can do it, but all the things started from the mind. So that is particular thing you should need to have a why, crystal clear why, because that is how you can basically get the clarity of thoughts, and you can say clarity of basically clarity in your mind. That is how you can able to consistently work on. So I'm also a basically a person who have started my channel, but still I didn't believe myself. So once I know like what I'm doing and why I'm doing, so there is nothing matters to me a lot. There is a lot of people's upon like opinions are there, but still they are there. But I know what I'm doing and why I'm doing. So this is most important thing for in your life as well. So if you are dedicated towards one goal, you need to have a crystal clear mind that I need to do it. Today basically I just read one book as well, that name is Trading in the Zone. And I'm also particularly working on trading field as well, but still I haven't got some sort of result which I can show to you. And nowadays there is a lot of restrictions as well for showing such activities. So I probably started trading from past like 2020. At that moment there is lot of like euphoria regarding market. There a lot of people are coming, and at that time I was got to suggestion one of my friends. So I've done lot of activities. So still I just follow that, and there's lot of particular things I've done, and I've done research as well, such as like I've read multiple books regarding stock trading. So still I am struggling, you can say. That is a part of life. So in two scenarios where I'm struggling, such as getting the growth in YouTube and getting some sort of growth in stock field as well. Just it is matter of like your practice. If you practice enough, so you can basically get the result at the end of the time. It's just matter of your belief and your confidence. That is what matter in the field of basically this kind of activities. So the thing which I've learned from the book is basically that is a probabilistic game if you in stock market basically. So if you know there will be a time where you will get the result, you need to capitalize that thing. That is most important. So there are times for that you need to basically actually prepare yourself when are the days, and you need to understand like how you can get the things done on that day. Because if you are like fighting with the market basically, if you're fighting with the results, such as I can show you, basically there are multiple video I've uploaded. If still I feel like why I uploaded, there is no reason for uploading that. So it is a thing which is happen to everyone. So you should need to understand that this is a part of game, and the more you understand that, the better your frustration or frustration will become lower. So that is my point. So on this video there is nothing such as practice. The whatever things coming in my mind, I just want to express it, and there's some sort of learning as well, whichever like who's over basically get that. So that is most important. So bye bye, have a good day. That is it for today's video.